moment for bloopers. Someone had their way with the train.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Yeah, I agree.
Somebody for real hit that. What the man, these tracks old as shit. They getting narrow. Oh shit, I'm in narrow gauge right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Should be. I'm gonna go mess with that switch. Huh. I wonder what that says. I can't read. Yo, we got this. Ow, shit. We got this ass signal right here. Yeah, fuck. Is it time to trespass?
Maybe.
Actually, you know what? I'd like to not violate FRA for one. Guys, so we're over here violating legal law. I mean, if you really think about it, we're not violating anything because this is an abandoned siding. Upon editing this video, I just realized, yes, it actually is illegal to walk on abandoned railroad tracks because it's still railroad property. Here's some information for you idiots. Insert ST70 ACE jump scare.
I made this.
Who the fuck? I could stick my finger in there.
Oh,
Proceeding on.
hey, look, there's an old...
You know, there could be a coyote over here and we don't know it until it comes up and, like...
I can tackle my
Oh my god, it smells like shit over here.
I wouldn't be surprised if you get fucking lantern man.
Should we walk all the way down to that crossing and back?
If lantern man gets me, I'm suing you.
Shut your ass up. He don't exist. The fuck you talking about? We're leaving. It turns out Lantern Man does exist. Tell me why this side is so clean and it's older, and this side looks like shit and it's new. Upon second view, if you cannot see that, that is uneven as shit. We're just casually with Railfanning.
We just found a cat. He's gonna beat you up. This cat's gonna beat you up.
Hi.
What is that?
Oh.
What is that?
What is that? Where's your mama? Where's your mama? Oh. I don't want it to look you. You don't know where it's been.